Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with opening your phone dialer. Tap on the keypad and enter the first code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and a serial number of this device, so you have a really quick access to the most important numbers in your device. Another code is *###225###. And thanks to this code, we can open the calendar information. So we've got all the events gathered in one place and categorized. We can check some family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. The drawback of this section is that you can only check the number of specific events, because we cannot really enter specific section and check the events which are saved, unfortunately, because I think it would be quite useful. But you can still check the number of specific events. Another code is *##426###. And here we are in the Diagnostics, so you can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, which is in the right upper corner, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and then tap on the status. And here we've got more information, for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is also the technical one. It is *##4636###. And here we are in the testing mode, so you can check the information about your phone, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let me start with this one. The Wi-Fi is categorized into the API configuration and status. So for example, you can here run ping test. You can check the network state, SSID, or network ID. You can also enter usage statistics, and it used to have the list of apps which you've been using with the usage time, etc. But for some reason, right now the apps are not available here. I don't know why, but I just wanted to show you, to notify you that there was an option to check usage statistics, and here phone information at the top. Oh, and actually before, if you wish to check usage statistics, you can always go to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, because there you've got the graph thanks to which you can check the screen time and also the time spent on specific apps. So I think it could be, I would say, a workaround for the usage statistics here. And the phone information, so here we can check for example, the IMEI number and the car network, data service, voice service, etc. Of course, this information will be available if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one. Inserted. That's why we cannot check the information. Here you can also run ping test, and there you've got the results. And here, after tapping on the three dots icon, you can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.